Oh my gosh, this is ugly. What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're doing another testing new makeup video. I don't know if you all know, but Halsey released a new makeup line. It's called About Face, and as soon as it was announced on Trend Mood, like, I don't know why, I'm not even a big Halsey fan at all. Like, I think I know one song or two, but when I saw the products, I was just like, this is giving me euphoria. As soon as I saw it, I was like, this is interesting, this is new. Everything seemed fresh. Like, she was coming out with the basic things, you know, like a setting spray or a lip gloss or a lipstick or a highlighter, but the packaging just really got me. The campaign shots were non-traditional, and I was intrigued, so I purchased a few things. Here is my box, and I wanted to just open it with you because the packaging is so unique. So this is the shadow play, the shadow stick, I mean, and I got it in the shade Pearly. This was actually free. This bag is fully compostable, so that's cool too for the environment. But I wanted to unbox it with you guys because this is so unique. So this is how the packaging looks. It's like holographic type of thing, and all you do is open it. But how do you open it? Do you have to cut it? Like, ooh, so this is the shadow stick. It is matte and it's in the shade Pearly, which is a really, oh my gosh, it looks like a crayon. Hold on, the beauty guru hand. Well, where is it? But it's really cool. Hope you guys can see. There we go. It's like a crayon, so that's gonna be cool to like draw on. I don't know, I'm kind of a bit scared, but this was free, so I threw it in the bag. All the prices and everything will be down below if you're interested in purchasing. This next thing is a lip pencil, and it's matte. I don't know what shade it is. Oh, it's in the shade Clockwork. Y'all ordered this in like, I think it was December, honestly. Ooh, it looks like this. It's like a brown, it's like a nude-ish color. So you guys know I love my nudes. It's not as dark as I usually like my brown liners, but it was the darkest brown on their site, so I picked it up. Next thing I think I got 2 liquid lipsticks. Matte, what do they call it? Matte paint lip color. I got it in the shade Nudist Judas and Ask Nicely. So let's open these up. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Look at it. It's so cute. This is Nudist Judas, and when you open it up, it looks like this. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Wow. It's miniature. I don't know how much I paid for this, but interesting. Okay, and let's open Ask Nicely. And this one is another nude, but more like a pinkish nude. And I thought that this would be really paired nicely with like chestnut or that brown liner. We'll see how I'm feeling. And the last thing that I picked up was a lip gloss. It's in the shade Please Obey, and it looks like this. It's like a pinkish glittery. Maybe I'll try all the lipsticks on right now just so you guys can see. And then, so we'll do swatches. Yeah, let's do it now. Okay, so this is Please Obey. This is a lip gloss. So smell, this smells like minty. Okay, let's try. Ooh. The applicator is really small and you don't get much product on it, but as you guys can see on my lips, a lot of product. Like, it doesn't take much product to kind of, so yeah, there's not a lot of product on the wand after you dip it in, but I will say that like the shine is there. All right, let's wipe this one off and try Nudist Judas. let's do Ask Nicely. Oh my gosh, this is ugly. I mean, it's not ugly, I just wouldn't wear it like this. This is why I don't do lip lookbooks. Like, someone was complaining on one of my, I think, Gloss Bomb Cream lip lookbook, and was like, I know you don't wear it with the lip liner. I mean, you wouldn't wear this stuff, but I'm similar to your skin tone and I would like to see. This is why I don't do this. Like, look at me, look at me. This is ugly. But with a brown liner, it's really matte. It's drying down. I definitely need to go do a lip scrub, but this is Ask Nicely. It's really, I wouldn't wear this like this. I would advise you not to wear it like this, and it will be really pretty with chestnut. Depending on how I like Nudist Judas, I could see myself wearing this with chestnut, just because this color reminds me of Unbutton by Fenty Beauty, that nude lipstick. I can't even take myself seriously with this on. Ew. I did that for you guys, but like, please don't ask me to do no lip lookbook without a lip liner, because that just looks dumb. Like, how does that help you? Please tell me, don't know. How does that help you? It would not help you. Like, no one should be wearing any lipstick without a lip liner. It's 2021, okay? But that right there is exactly why I would never do a lip lookbook like that. Anyway, this is in the shade Nudist Judas. This should be a little bit more, I still wouldn't wear it by itself, but let's see. Ooh, wait, this is giving caramel. I do like the formula. It's very whipped creamy, but very pigmented, and dries down to a really wearable matte. Oh, this is like a true nude. This with chestnut will be really pretty too. But yeah, still would not wear this by itself, but it's better than this color Ask Nicely by itself. Okay guys, so I am back and I am ready to kind of play with this shadow stick with my eyes. I just went in with the Amrezy palette and added a few transition colors with New Yorker and OG, but there's a shade in here called Leo that I kind of want to dig into. It's like a blue shimmery shade, and I was like, okay, that kind of works with the shadow stick. So let's see what this does. I'm just going to apply it to my lid. Ooh, oh my gosh, the shadow stick broke. Instead of like drawing on this product, you kind of have to dab it because I don't want to break it again. Okay, we're gonna let this one go. Okay guys, so I just finished my eyes. Since the shadow stick was a complete fail, I went in with the Rare Beauty Confident Energy palette. They're really pretty, like tealish blue, and then the outer skirts I went in with Leo from the Amrezy palette, so that little blue right there. So that's pretty cute. I'm about to go in with some liner, and then I wanna choose which lash I want to do today. I received these lashes in PR from Estate Cosmetics. They just launched lashes on February 4th. They are a luxury synthetic lash. They're coming out with 5 styles, and they gave me this really nice card. If you've seen my last vlog, I kind of talked about it in it and showed you guys the lashes, but this is what it looks like. So they are made up of synthetic luxury fibers. They're handmade, so each pair is extra special. You can use them up to 20 times, and at the end of the night or Zoom call, remove your lashes from the outside in, so like this. If there's any buildup left, brush through with a clean spoolie and a wet Q-tip to remove any makeup residue on the band. Use a clean pair of tweezers to remove any remaining glue. Store them in the box, and your lashes will last up to 20 uses, so that's really nice. They're cruelty free and vegan, and I'm not sure how much they are because they were in PR, and they didn't include it on here. But like I said, they came in five styles, so I'm just going to look at them right now. These are actually blue. I saw these on the site and I was like, are they blue? But they are blue. Should I use, no, I shouldn't use them with this look, but wow. Let me take them out for you guys, because even with the PR I didn't really see that they're blue. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but they are blue, which is really cute. Like, they're black and blue. So that's nice. I don't think I'm gonna use those today just because the eyes are really, they're doing too much, seem too much. I don't think I want Purr, but this is what she looks like. Cute. And then these are Boozy Brunch. I don't think I want this one either. Not today. I think I want to use Booty Call. They look like this. They're wispy and full, but the last one is Rendezvous, which looks like this. So I'm gonna use Booty Call, and I'm gonna go in with a bit of liner. I'm gonna use the NYX matte liquid liner and apply these lashes.
Big fat thing overflowing. Skin tight dress couldn't hold it. Way too thick like it's swollen. Now you're too bad and you know it. When you drop down, lose focus. When that thing clap, that's a bonus. That cake looking appetizing. Backpack food is a crisis. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my bread. Look like you do ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you tiptoe. Shake something when you tiptoe. No brakes when you push that back. Left, right, do it just like that. All tight when you tiptoe. Hey yo, God bless you from behind it. One hand up like the Heisman. First class even you're riding. One that thing like you're spineless. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my breath. Look like you do ballet. Yeah, all tight when you tiptoe. Shake something when you tiptoe. No brakes when you push that back. Left, right, do it just like that. All tight when you tiptoe.
Wine for me, darling. When you move your spine is alarming. And why you just wine for me, darling.
Tryna figure out who to give your love to. Dancing like a freak till 3:15. You don't want the one you've been looking for.
Left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. Tip top, tip top, tip top. 100 chains on, got me looking like a disco. Who that be? In that drop, be my sorry. Who that be? Blowing gas at the bar. Fresh vanilla smooth like a honey-year wine. And I sneak up from behind. What's your name? What's your sign?
Wine for me, darling.
You wanna dock in or fly out?
Wine for me,
baby,
darling.
you wanna lease, rent or buy out?
Wine for me, darling.
And that money keep blowing, swat, shorty, tip tongue. Got your left cheek showing my tip.
Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my breath. Not like you do ballet. All tight when you tiptoe. When you tiptoe. Shake something when you tiptoe. When you tiptoe. No brakes when you push that back. Left, right, do it just like that. All tight when you tiptoe. When you tiptoe. Hold tight when you.
Wine for me, darling. When you move your spine is alarming.
Okay guys, so here's the final look. Let's start with the state because their lashes are so bomb. I am wearing Booty Call, but they have 5 styles. They're a luxury synthetic lash, and you can use them up to 20 times. So you guys know I am a huge fan of lashes, especially when I don't have my extensions in, and these are super cute. I love Booty Call. It's different from like my typical lash, but I still really like it. It's a very natural lash, but still kind of wispy. I love it. Another lash that I'm really excited to try eventually is the lash in the style, where is it? I didn't put them in today, but they're in the style OUTRE, which has like blue lashes in it, and I've always wanted to try like the colored lash trend. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out these lashes. The link will be in the description box, and I have a discount code for you guys, so save some money while you're there. Let's get into about face because I definitely have some thoughts. The first thing is the shadow stick. I picked it up in the shade Creature. This was free, but I'm not really a huge fan of this. It broke on me, as you guys saw, so I don't think it's worth the money, but if you're able to get it for free, why not? Pick one up, try it out. The lipsticks, I really love them. I'm wearing Ask Nicely right now, pairing it with the gloss, and Ask Nicely is like my go-to nude type of color. It is a peachy nude, which I love, and I'm super excited to try out Nudish Judas with a brown lip liner because this one is a nude too. I love the whipped formula. It's very unique and it's very pigmented, which I love. The lip gloss, I'm not a huge fan of the applicator. Like, I really have to like dip multiple times to get the type of shine that I want, but it is a pretty color, and it doesn't last long actually. because I had some on before, but it doesn't even look as shiny as it did before. But I like the color. I don't think enough lip gloss comes out in the applicator. Okay guys, and that wraps up this testing new makeup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.